Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, August 2nd, 2023. Let's take a look at the Ethereum to Tether at Zondacrypto exchange. So we are looking at the daily time frame chart, and what is the situation here will be explained during this video. So what do we have? What you see straight on is this big reversal candle. So please notice that this is the daily time frame chart, which means this candle is very important. So let's just see the levels here. So of course the high was made at 2131. There was a slight breakout above this high at 2139. So that's 8 tethers higher. However, we will, we will stay with this level here. There's not much, difference between these two levels whatsoever. So that's the swing high and technical resistance, and this looks like a double top formation. So our key technical support is still located here, 1640, and of course this will be green. So as long as the market trades above this level, the outlook remains bullish, because since the lows on the the beginning of the November 2022, this market keeps making higher highs, higher lows towards 2158. So the trend is still up. Then we have the correction to the downside, and now there was an opportunity to rally higher. Nevertheless, it looks like we are having a problem with the technical resistance, and this movement to the upside looks very much like corrective movement. So that might be the first leg of the correction, that might be the second leg of the correction. What we need is the wave C, or the third leg of the correction to the downside. So that's the overall plan, that's the overall scenario for the Ethereum. So what are the levels on this market? Let's just dig in towards the levels. So I will just zoom in a little bit more towards the newest data. So the technical support, 1824. The technical resistance is quite quite close to the support, because we got this 1824, 1840 zone here, and then of course we got the resistance at 1891 and 1000 and let's say 9024. So those levels are the technical intraday, or like a short-term technical resistances, and the lower ones are the supports. What's so special about this market is that it moved briefly below 100 periods moving average, and it's very close to 200 periods moving average. So if you take a look here, you can see that the distance between 100 and 200 moving average is getting smaller, which is always not very good for the boost, because that means that the longer time frame, more periods moving average and lesser periods moving average are getting closer together. So overall, the price is getting very close to the moving averages, which means there is not much volatility, and the market is not apparently going up or down on the other hand. So with that being said, we can of course always take a look at the momentum, and on the momentum indicator we can clearly see that we are below the level of 50, but we are hovering up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down around this level since this spike. Okay, so this spike had happened, and now we are hovering up and down the neutral level. So the market is not that keen to go either up or down. Nevertheless, any bounce or any movement to the upside or a rally attempt is right now being capped by the bears. Okay, so we got this big movement to the downside here, and then again we get the big movement to the downside when the bulls try to challenge the 2138 swing high. So the outlook remains neutral basically, but the longer term is bullish, right? But the bullish trend most likely, longer term is up, so the outlook is bullish, but the uptrend most likely had been completed, and right now neither bulls nor bears are not that keen to move in some sort of the direction. And because the moving averages are going, are getting closer together, we might see a period of the bigger consolidation on the on the Ethereum to the Tether. Daily time frame chart is a very important time frame chart, so please stay tuned, stay focused and vigilant while you are analyzing this kind of a time frame, because as you can see, the consequences of the very big pin bar candle and the reversal candlestick pattern, like a bearish engulfing, might be severe. Okay, so this movement here to the downside might not be the end of the overall downward correction. So please stay tuned, stay focused and vigilant, and we will see each other soon with the analysis update. So thank you very much for watching this one, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.